Hi, welcome back. Another important update. If someone is, of course, if you're in real time, you'll come to know what are all the types of implementations. Till now, we had a fight with our ECC. Now, this is the ongoing discussion happening. Last, I think it is started from 2015, 11. That means 2015 11th month, November, actually, they have released simple financials. Okay, so S4 version. After that, 1605, from 1610 onwards, it is starting picking up, actually, few implementations and all. So what are all the various types of S4 HANA implementations, actually? Basically, that we are trying to discuss today. Okay, so let's come to the type. First one is greenfield implementation. What is greenfield? So they have given the criteria like that. Suppose if you are freshly implementing a project with S4 HANA, it is not there in ECC, it's not there in .NET, it's not there anything actually. So sometimes, few customers, if they are in already existing Excel format or some other format, it is turning into the fresh S4 HANA project, then we'll call it as a green implementation. Green implementation you can call in another way. Okay, that is like what I would say, nothing actually started. It's from very scratch. You're going to start from scratch. Actually, your customer is new, and you don't know what is SAP, and he would like to start with SAP for his business systems. So all requirements gathered from scratch, not even a single piece in R3 or 2 or 1 or something like that. That is called greenfield implementation. Okay, no background of SAP. Okay, next one, brownfield. This is somewhat, you can say, like, your what I would say, your master data conversions from ECC to S4, or else most of the times brownfield is quite popularized. If you go 5 years ago, what happened to one of the implementation, like, I can name out, so I don't want to name out the service company. They went for, like, win the bid actually for brownfield. Why? Because uh, they have lost because of another company, so the implementation got failed in S4. What they have said, that is one of the defense project client. Okay, so what they have said, you guys need not start anything from scratch, just repair the existing S4 HANA system and try to migrate to, like, other areas which are scope for our business actually. So that also you can call it as a brownfield, like, which is ready for repair and which is ready for other locations extension. Or else you can say your conversions of the project ECC to S4, that also we can call it as a brownfield. Okay, that's good. The final one, you think that, greenfield is very interesting because you're starting from scratch. Brownfield, like, someone has done inauguration of way of marriage done kind of project, like, you'd like to, uh, you don't know, like, who are all the members get involved in that, and what they have done. You just have to do a lot of investigations per brownfield. Yeah, so but actually it is quite popular. If you see, it's not so easy to uh, get a corporate in world market like mushroom. Okay, it has a lifetime, right, to grow. It has a big corporate, and they would like to use SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Such a case, you can expect most of the times brownfield implementations or landscape. What exactly this is landscape talks about? Suppose if you see this, like in ECC, you have a warehouse management system and EWM, and you have something called retail system. There is something called Salesforce, and so many EDA systems. Different kind of ECC systems are coordinating and, helping out for customer past few years to run their business systems very well. Okay, you have assumed that 10 to 20 business systems, but they have done a hard work of 2 decades, maybe 20 years or 30 years to bring them up and run working on ECC with a multi-model system they have for one of the client assume. Okay, probably you can take big clients Unilever or Britannia. If you take any of the world uh, multinational companies, so they have footprints across various locations. Okay, what landscape talks about? They will do phase by phase. Okay, for example, we would like to bring this year warehouse management EWM to S4 HANA, and next year we are planning to bring retail system. So partially they are converting into the existing ECC systems or third party systems uh, with S4, but those are connected still to run their business smoothly, and slowly system by system they are converting. You can say landscape kind of projects are the long term projects, probably multiple systems, last two decades. It is not easy to convert them into the S4 that much faster. A lot of uh, that strength got involved in this, and you will have a massive billing from the client to get into the S4 system by system actually. So it might take years actually. Whereas greenfield and the brownfield, it might get finished by a year or a couple of years, but not like landscape. Okay. So I think you got to know types of projects. And in my next video, I'll try to please follow me if you like it, and you can subscribe and share whatever you want to do it. You can comment. And what I would like to do is I would like to share with you. So my course is available on ECC. This is 73 hours, and SAP SD pricing concepts. This is on ECC again, and I have done one more course on S4 advanced course for pricing. And if you are a beginner, then you can able to enjoy this course for S4 HANA Simple Logistics and Business Partners. If you are beginner to the industry, you can subscribe Getting Master Data. To write functional specification, here I explained a couple of scenarios. In future, I would like to add a few more scenarios. Okay, this is one of the top rated courses. If you'd like to learn rebates and the STOs, I have two courses. One is on ECC and another one is stock transfer. Okay, definitely you won't be disappointed. You will have a certain learning. Take a practice system. You can try to do all those things, and you can learn SAP S4 HANA intercompany sales and consignment sales. Okay, so that's all for today. If you like my video, you can able to share it and you can subscribe. So you are going to learn a lot. I am real-time functional consultant. Okay, and mentor. Certainly, I feel that I can give some information to speed up in corporates. Thank you very much. So I wish you all the best for your careers and have a great time. Thank you very much. Have a great day.